Hey guys, T here. Recently, when I was making my garden bench, a friend of mine, Vic, said, "Hey, what is that big drill you're using there? I never seen anything like that." So I thought maybe the rest of you guys might want to see it too. It's just a plumber's drill, or something that a plumber drills those gigantic holes in your floor joists just so he can get through. It's a 90-degree grill. Let's take a look at it and see what it does. Wow. I even named it Hog. Now that's some drill. So it's got this bar here that you put into the side. What they suggest, if you can put this bar up against a stud, it's a good idea. Otherwise, if this drill gets stuck, it'll jam around and hit you in the leg or in worse places. And it's no fun that way. It's got two speeds, a low speed, and a high speed. I like the low speed. It's got a lot of torque, and boy, it'll drill through anything. You can flip it up. Here's the high speed. So let's take a look at what we use here to drill holes with. We've got these great Forstner bits, and these boys are really sensational. Now that's a bit. And you can sharpen them with a file, which is nice. And this little insert here will unscrew, so if you mess this up, you can fix it and put a new one in. If it gets dull or whatever, you can put a new one in. That's nice. So you attach these, this big old Forstner bits just like you do everything in terms of attaching a drill bit. Just go in there and tighten her up. Okay, let's see. as well as the Forstner bits. I have a big old 1 1/16 inch Jennings bit. And it's different from the Irwin bits. Here's an Irwin bit. See, it's got a shank down the middle. The Jennings don't. I don't know which is better, but they're just two different kinds. But this boy is great, a big long one. I must have found this at some antique tool mart or something. Anyway, it's really a cool bit. Let's see what it does. So there's nothing like the old hole hog. This guy has got lots of torque. It'll snap your knee off, it seems like, if it gets stuck. But it's really a great, powerful drill to have if you've got to cut some big holes or some long holes. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Please subscribe. I'll see you soon.